To-dos, or tasks, are a great way to get people contributing on a wiki page. This page has a to-do to add images. By expanding the to-do, I will find out more information. I can see that this to-do is requesting an image of an English bulldog. To add an image and complete the to-do, I click the Do This Now button. Now that I am editing the page, I click the Image button, search Yahoo Images for an English bulldog, and add the image to the page. I click Save, add an edit note for the page history, and add a comment to mark the to-do as complete. When you are done, the to-do will no longer appear at the top of the wiki page. For a list of all completed and opened to-dos for a wiki page, click Complete History and select the To-Dos tab.